So we recently had a guy bring us a Yorkville 7447 woofer, which obviously has been blown apart. And our goal now, rather than replace the thing, which would cost over $500, he's asked us to attempt to put it back together. And the plan here is to essentially grind these down so that it'll fit back together, JB cold weld it back together, and then reinstall the kit. So we'll see how this goes.
Pictures of me?
Taking video of you.
Incriminating evidence.
Yeah. I think it's going to work. We're JB welding. Liquid metal. Fun stuff. Doesn't smell too bad though, eh? As far as, you know.
Fumes go, it's not the worst.
Yeah, like what you're doing. So this is it. Yeah, looks like it's gonna work. It feels solid.
It's hard.
Okay. It doesn't fall off. And we added some extra glue along the spokes. So hopefully that'll give us enough surface area and enough, I don't know, strength.
And that's probably the most strenuous test yet. It was a jiggle.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. I'm sure he will be very stoked if we can get it to stay good. Hey, so we're here. Quick update on this Yorkville speaker that we're doing a basket reattach project on, and surprisingly, it came out. It works. Everything is good. Reinstalled the kit. Test's good. It's pretty cool. Pretty happy to get this guy up and running. So if you have any other random projects like that, swing by the shop. We're located at 4 Jim Wilson Lane in Toronto, Ontario. We focus on pro audio repair, retail, installations. Basically anything to do with speakers, it's kind of in our wheelhouse. This is our shop. We're open 10 to 6, Tuesday to Friday, and Saturdays from noon till 6. Or sorry, Saturdays from noon till 4. And our phone number is 905-475-2038. Emails info@santonaudio.ca. So feel free to drop us a line and we'll hook you up.